most people who went to law school should have never went to begin with. Now, I know that sounds kind of rough to say, and it's not they shouldn't have went because they weren't smart enough. They shouldn't have went because they didn't really want to go to law school to begin with. And this definitely stands true for a lot of people in around my year, like 2010 and earlier. You know, I remember reading interviews and people saying about how, you know, there's nothing else, so they decided to go to law school because, you know, guaranteed a good job after that. And it's just not the case, right? It was in the past, but it's not the case now. So people who went to law school with that idea in mind ended up not really being the best to begin with, because what it does is you have an overpopulation of attorneys, right? I believe at Hofstra, which is the law school I went to, they've been, you know, they had cut down their incoming class significantly, right? They stopped accepting as many people because there were still a lot of people applying, but it was just becoming too oversaturated. And the legal industry, in regards to applying like for jobs and the typical legal jobs, it became oversaturated. There were too many people applying and not enough jobs. And that's kind of how it is with the legal industry even now. Granted, it's recovered more than from 2010 when, you know, everything was pretty crappy. There's still too many attorneys for the amount of jobs. But that's good and that's bad, right? It's good because it's made attorneys look at their skills and see how they can choose that in other areas. So you may not necessarily get a job in the typical legal realm that you used to, but you can take those skills and land jobs in other places. And by landing in other places, it puts you in a position that makes you more desirable, makes you a more desirable candidate, right? When you're applying to jobs where people who may be working there aren't attorneys, you now have a leg up, right? So I think it's just looking at the legal industry and seeing how things have changed and understanding how to adapt and stand out. So let me know what you guys think in regards to, you know, how the legal industry and how you think it's changed, and you know, as far as the job market, and let me know what you guys think. All right, comment below and love to hear from you. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.